We have a brand new house and lot for sale here in Silang, Cavite, and this one is very familiar to you, especially if you like Korean-inspired houses. So you have a two-vehicle carport, then you have your main entrance over here, which will lead you to this area that lets you comfortably take out your shoes and store them right before you enter your actual home. It's not completely finished yet, but you will have a screen over here that will separate this outdoor area versus the indoor area or your actual home, which is nice and quiet and peaceful and clean. So you have bedrooms here on the ground floor, and then in this area you have this nice open space for your living, dining, and your kitchen. And look at your kitchen. You have so much space to work with, and it's so pretty. And you have these nice integrated outlets over here on the counter, which I think is really, really cool. So I'm not gonna show you all of it, but I will show you the master bedroom. So let's head up these stairs. I love that you have señorita steps. Makes it super easy to climb up, even when you're just wearing socks. So here we have the master bedroom, and as you can see, you already have your built-in headboard as well as the bed itself already included. Now you have a good space with an ensuite hot bath and a walk-in closet, but this one has access to a balcony, which lets you see this beautiful subdivision that's nice and quiet as well, with lots of greenery. And wow, what a place to live in. So if you want to see more of this beautiful home, make sure you check out the full house tour on our YouTube. And if you want to see more houses like this, make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello.